Welcome friends to my YouTube channel. Now on yesterday I have introduced the concept of center of mass frame. Okay, and I also discuss why it is known as the zero momentum frame of reference and the significance of center of mass frame. So in today's lecture I shall going to discuss the collision in CM frame. Okay, collision in CM frame. Now, as I told earlier that with respect to laboratory frame of reference, center of mass frame moves with a constant velocity, and any frame that is moving with a uniform velocity relative to another frame is also an inertial. So with respect to lab frame, CM frame is inertial. This is lab and this is CM. Say we take two particles of mass m1 and m2 object. Say this is m1 and this is m2. Okay, say before collision the velocities in lab frame are u1 and u2, and after collision this is v1 and v2. Similarly, before collision the velocities in CM frame are u1 dash u2 dash, and that after collision v1 dash v2 dash. Okay, now since center of mass frame is a zero momentum frame, what since CM frame is called zero momentum frame, what we can write before collision we can write m1 u1 dash plus m2 u2 dash, this is equals to this, and after collision what we can write m1 v1 dash plus m2 v2 dash, this equals to 0. Yesterday I used this equation to find out the velocity. Now in today's lecture I shall going to discuss this equation. Okay, the result will be the same, but today I shall use this equation. So from this equation what will be my v2 dash? Simply minus m1 by m2 into v1 dash. Okay, we can write this. Now we can easily use the law of conservation of energy. Okay, the law of conservation of energy. So simply half m1 u1 dash square plus half m2 u2 dash square, this equals to half m1 v1 dash square half m2 v2 dash square. So this is simply m1 u1 dash square. Okay, and also we can write u2 dash, this equals to m1 by m2 into u2 dash. Okay, we can write v2 dash is this and u2 dash this is this. So we can put the value of u2 dash, this is simply m1 square by m2 square, this is u1 dash, so this is u1 dash, this equals to m1 v1 dash square plus m2 v2 dash square, that means m1 square by m2 square v1 dash square. Okay, so what we can write similarly, m1 u1 dash square plus m1 square by m2 u1 dash square, this is equal to m1 v1 dash square plus m1 by m2 v1 dash square. Okay, now if we take common, that is m1 u1 dash square, we can get 1 plus m1 by m2. and if we take m1 v1 dash common, m1 v1 dash square common, this is 1 plus m1 by m2. So this cancels, m1 m1, this also cancels. So what we can write, u1 dash square, this is equal to u1 dash square. So we can easily write mod u1 dash, this is simply mod u1 dash. Okay, we see that the magnitude of velocities before and after collision are equal, but previously we see that there is a minus sign if we don't take mod. That means what happens, the velocities are same in magnitude but in opposite direction. So if before collision u1 dash and u2 dash acts along this direction, after collision u1 dash will be this direction and u2 dash will be in this direction. Okay, so similarly we can prove mod u2 dash, this equals to mod v2 dash. So velocities before and after collision are same in magnitude but opposite in direction. Okay, so velocities before and after collision are same in magnitude but opposite in direction. Okay, so this is what about the collision in CM frame. Okay, so this is what about the collision in center of mass frame, right? Now one thing is to be remembered that as I told earlier that we can apply both the law of conservation of linear momentum in both type of collisions, whether it is elastic or inelastic, no matter, law of conservation of linear momentum always holds good. But in elastic collision the energy is conserved, but that in inelastic collision energy is not conserved. Okay, and thereafter we see the proof also. Okay, now on my next lecture I shall going to discuss few numerical problems related to collision. Okay, so in next class I will discuss few numericals related to collision. Okay, numericals related to collision. So if you don't subscribe my channel then kindly subscribe it, and video link will be given in the description box. And if you face any type of query then just write it in comment section. I will be ready to give the answers. Okay, thank you.